This is a force multiplier. This takes the work of several people out of the equation. Rokon has a rear drive wheel and a front drive wheel. This is full-time two-wheel drive. So here around Lost Creek Lake, we have over 30 miles of single-track trail. And my first summer here, we had to remove some trees out of the trail that were knocked over by storms. And what I was finding, it was taking us two people several hours to haul chainsaws and equipment to these locations, and it would pretty much take up an entire day. Say I have a log that is unsafe to cut, but I can safely drag it. I have that capability now. This thing will drag 3,000 pounds. Say I had a bridge washed out, I could load up equipment, material, fasteners, all that stuff onto that trailer and move it to the location. We don't have to throw it in a backpack and make several trips. It also doesn't impact the ground as much as you would think it would. It has a very wide footprint. This distributes the weight more evenly on the ground. I can pick a wider spot and I can stay on that versus falling into a rut and digging it out deeper. For search and rescue operations, having over 30 miles of trails and we have a lost hiker by foot, it takes usually about 4 hours. I can do that in half an hour. So we have a mountain bike, and that's limited to the strength of the rider. So you throw on a chainsaw and your water, your fuel, and you're weighed down, and it doesn't take long, you're fatigued, and most of our trails are not flat. There's elevation changes, you're going up and down a lot. So that could really make the job even longer because you have to have rest breaks, especially in the summertime. It can get over 100 degrees here. This thing, you get the wind blowing across you as you're going down the trail, and you get to a job site and you're ready to go to work.